Okay, this is video number 2 for pricing. Next question is, identify what is a penetration skimming pricing strategy and what are the requirements of a penetration skimming strategy. Okay, we're going to explain here more than one pricing strategy. We're going to start by market penetration pricing, which sets a low initial price in order to penetrate the market quickly and deeply to attract a large number of buyers quickly to gain market share. Requirements. The market must be highly price sensitive. Production and distribution costs decrease as sales volume increases. Low prices must help competitors out of the market. Penetration price must maintain its low price position. The other strategy is market skimming pricing, which is a strategy with high initial price to skim revenue layers from the market. The requirements are: the product's quality and image must support its higher price, and the buyers must want the product at that price. The costs of producing the product in a small volume should not cancel out the advantage of higher prices, and a high barrier of entry for competitors. Next question. Samsung will soon be introducing its new bendable phone. This picture. See this picture. Propose 4 different types of pricing strategies Samsung could use and explain how exactly you will come to the final price and what final price would be. Provide all reasonable assumptions in your explanation. Okay, in fact, there are many ways to approach this pricing strategy. We can see this graph here. Now we can use penetration pricing, skimming pricing, competition pricing, product line pricing, psychological pricing, cost plus pricing, cost-based pricing, optional pricing, premium pricing, and bundle pricing. Here we also have some strategies. We have said some of these before. I'm going to repeat: penetration pricing, optional pricing, premium pricing, competition pricing, value pricing, bundle pricing, and skimming pricing. Okay, we're going to start with the different price strategies. This belongs to the internal factor 5, which are product considerations. Okay, let's start. New product pricing. Skimming versus penetration. By skimming, we can price the bendable phone at $1,200 and start decreasing the price monthly, or we could just set the price at $700, which would be a penetration strategy, and advertise its benefits heavily on different channels. We must be careful that our revenue is high enough to cover the product total costs, which are variable plus fixed costs, and provide a reasonable return on investment. From the external factors affecting pricing decisions. Using a value pricing strategy. Since Samsung is a strong brand and has a super high reputation, the price could be set acting as an oligopoly: few strong sellers, many buyers. And depending on the phone's features, the price would be as high as $1,500. We can use psychological pricing, which is a quality sign-up. Here we should increase the price even more, indicating prestige. For example, $2,000. This is nothing for a Hollywood star or a political leader. In this strategy, price signals quality, and higher price signals even a higher quality. Also, a lower price signals a lower quality. We could use a premium pricing, also called image pricing or prestige pricing, which is the practice of keeping the price of a product or service artificially high in order to encourage favorable perceptions among buyers based solely on the price. Okay, now we have the next question. What are the general price approaches? Name, explain, and give an example of a problem you can encounter for each of the price approaches. First approach is value-based pricing. In this case, non-price strategies differentiate the marketing offer to make it worth a higher price. Value-based pricing uses the buyer's perceptions of value, not the seller's cost, as the key to pricing. Pricing is considered with other marketing variables before the marketing program is set. Value-based pricing is customer-driven. The problem with this approach is that measuring perceived value can be difficult. The second approach is cost-based pricing. Cost-based pricing is based on costs for producing, distributing, and marketing costs, plus a fair rate of return for its effort and risk. Cost-based pricing is product-driven, in opposition to value-based pricing, which is customer-driven. The problem with the cost-based pricing approach is that it ignores demand and competitor prices.